on radio. Golf Bravo November Yankee Lima, request airfield information and radio check for a VFR flight to Lydd, 2POB, captain's name is Stickings.
Runway news is 28, QNH 1017.
Runway 28 and the QNH 1017, Golf November Yankee Lima.
Lima vacated.
Nothing on final. Golf Yankee Lima lining up to 8.
Yankee Lima.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stop my golf through final runway 28.
My doctor.
Okay, T's and P's are okay. Airspeed is slowly increasing. Flaps up. Golf Yankee Lima, we've departed the circuit and changed into Lydd approach 120.705.
Yankee Lima to Lydd.
So the last time we went to Lydd wasn't at the time it was a little bit eventful on the ground. So hopefully we can do better today. We're just coming up to Tenterden now. So I'll give Lydd a call when we get overhead Tenterden.
Sunny 59, turning final 21.
1859, runway 21, clear touch and go, wind 240 degrees 190 knots.
Sunny 59, clear touch and go.
Levelled off at 2,000 feet, so we'll be descending pretty soon. Lydd approach, Golf Bravo November Yankee Lima inbound.
Golf Bravo November Yankee Lima, lead approach, pass your message.
Golf Bravo November Yankee Lima, a Cessna 152, 2POB, inbound to yourself from Headcorn, currently at 2,000 feet just overhead Tenterden, 1017, request join information.
Golf Yankee Lima, the QNH is 1018, information, echo. Basic service to squawk 7066.
QNH 1018, information echo, basic service and squawk 7066, Golf Yankee Lima.
Golf Yankee Lima, report 4 miles to run to the overhead runway 21 and left-hand circuit.
Report with 4 miles to run for runway 21 left-hand circuit, Golf Yankee Lima.
And Golf Tango Echo, the danger area Delta 141 is active and there is an exclusion zone around Folkestone due to an air display. Do you intend routing via the lead overhead?
If you'd like to route round your overhead and then head towards Mayfield, which should keep us out of Folkestone hopefully.
Golf Tango Roger, report passing overhead the airfield not below 2,000 feet.
Pass Roger, report overhead not below 2,000 feet, Tango Echo. Sunny 569, and wind touch and go.
259 number 1, report final.
Report final, 259.
Golf Echo Mike White Yankee, did approach our own pass message.
Golf Yankee, he's inbound to you from Seawood, just approaching Ashford, 2,500 feet on 1016. Now enjoying instructions, Golf Yankee.
Golf White Yankee, QH 1018, basic service to squawk 7066.
018 BQNH, 7066 to score, Golf Yankee.
And Golf White Yankee, your position, prefer to make a straight approach runway 21?
Make a straight approach to 2, I'll be fine, thank you.
Okay, so report on a 4-mile final runway 21, circuit actively 1 Cherokee.
Cool, 4 mile approach to 1 Golf Yankee.
Up to 1,500 feet.
Final approach, go to 1.
959, the runway 21, clear touch and go, wind 240 degrees, 20 knots.
Good, go to 1.
Golf Yankee Lima, 4 miles to run.
Golf Yankee Lima, roger, report overhead.
Report overhead, Golf Yankee Lima. Can you see the airfield in front of us? There's a couple of fields, so you've got the grey, sandy bit there, then right in front of it, and the grass area in front of it.
Golf Yankee Lima, circuit traffic is a Cherokee just on the climb now, so if you position to follow him and report downwind.
Wilco, we're just approaching the overhead and visual with the one ahead, and we'll follow him and report left hand downwind, Golf Yankee Lima. Golf Yankee Lima, following the one ahead will take us into the restricted area.
Golf Mike Yankee, come up to 4 miles final.
Golf Mike Yankee, runway 21, clear to land, wind 240 degrees, 25 knots.
Okay, Golf Mike Yankee.
Golf Yankee Lima, can we orbit here because we're about to enter the restricted area if we carry on our present track?
Yankee Lima, 1 orbit and then report downwind.
We'll go 1 orbit and report downwind, Golf Yankee Lima.
Planet 59, downwind touch and go.
Planet 59, your number 2, your 1 is a very easy inside 4 mile final. Report before turning base if you're not visual.
Well, number 2, we'll look for aeroplane on finals, and if we're not visual, we'll report on base. Planet 59. Golf Yankee, Yankee, just past 2 miles final.
Golf White Yankee, roger, wind check 240 degrees, 25 knots.
Golf Yankee. And number 59, we're visual with the traffic on final.
59, roger, number 2, report final.
Number 2, okay, Planet 59.
Golf Yankee Lima, can we just confirm the position of the one in front?
Golf Yankee and the Cherokee is now late downwind about to turn base.
Roger, Golf Yankee Lima. We are left hand downwind, Golf Yankee Lima.
And Golf Yankee Lima, now number 2, following the Cherokee on base, report final.
Number 2 and follow the Cherokee, report final, 121, Golf Yankee Lima.
Golf Yankee, do we press Bravo for the hangar 4, please?
Golf White Yankee, vacate right via Bravo to hangar 4.
Planet 59, turning final 21.
59, the runway 21, clear touch and go, wind 240  240 degrees, 21 knots.
59, clear touch and go. 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 59, clear touch and Golf Tango goes overhead, 2,200 feet.
Golf Tango Echo, roger, report passing the town of Rye.
Report passing right, Golf Tango.
Golf Yankee Lima, final 2-1.
Golf Yankee Lima, continue approach.
Continue approach, Golf Yankee Lima.
Golf Yankee Lima, runway 21, clear to land, wind 240 degrees, 20 knots.
Clear to land 2-1, Golf Yankee Lima.
Lima, vacate right via Charlie to park on the Charlie apron.
Vacate right via Charlie to park on the Charlie apron, Golf Yankee Lima.
Planet 59, downwind touch and go.
Planet 59 and number 1, report final.
Report final, Planet 59.
3225, we've got a call now which is Z126 X-ray 25, squad cover down. Good day, sir.